Whoa! I couldn't believe it! Hey, look at these frames! They're so cool! I don't know. They're fine. Wait, what's that noise? Ah! What the heck? Oh! We're in a challenge! Can I open mine first? Okay, thumb more to decide who opens theirs first. Haha! I got you! I'm the winner! Red is the best! Here I go! Oh my. What the heck? Ah! It's a skull! A creepy red skull! Wait. Let me get a closer look. Maybe I should take a sniff. Oh, I get it. It's a gummy skull. I absolutely love gummy stuff. Skulls aren't creepy when they're gummy. Time for a bite. Here I go. It's got a cherry flavor. I don't know. It still looks creepy to me. I'll see what's under mine. No way! A triple-decker bus! Look at this cool thing! Let's open this up and see what's inside. Ooh! A lightning jelly! This one is purple. I bet it tastes good. I'll give this a try. Yeah, that was great! Whoa! Look at this! I've got a wand and a cape! Ooh, that's pretty cool. Let me have some. No way! Keep your hands off. That's right. Just slow down there. Time to eat my gummies. They're so good! Yummy! That was super satisfying. Alright, better put her back to normal speed. Haha! Come to me, gummies! Wait, what? How did you eat them all so fast? Well, whatever. I've still got my skull. I wanna go first. What? Again? I should get to go first. Whoa. Okay, go ahead. Thanks. I will. What? There's nothing here. Huh? What the heck is this? Ugh! Wow! It's a bow and arrows! Hey! I think the arrows are lollipops. I bet I could do a lot with this. I've always wanted to be an archer. Wow! That's so cool! It's flying so far! This book is fascinating. Ow! What was that? Oh, hi ladies. Wow. There's a lot of you. Oh my gosh! Did you see what that arrow did? I did! Pretty funny! What do you think it's made of? Oh wow! It smells so good! I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that's really good. What's in yours? Okay. Looks like it's some sort of candy. Looks like it's a little spray bottle. I'll give it a try. That's good. Hey, look at that! It's got a light-up button! I'm gonna push it. Here I go! What the heck? Where did she go? I'm here all by myself! Help! My friend is missing! Where could she have gone? I'm here all by myself! Hey girl! I'm back! I had a great time, too! Well, I was worried sick about you! You didn't need to be! There was dancing and fun times! Stop right there! I've got some dice! We'll roll to see who opens first. Woo! 4 beats 2! I win! What? A tennis shoe? Why did they give me this? Well, maybe it's food. I'll smell it. Ugh, not food. And it's not my size. You want this shoe? No. Oh, this is the worst one. Oh! What was that? Okay, I'll be brave and check. Hey! The shoe transformed! It turned into candy! That's so much better! I bet this is gonna be delicious! Yep, tastes like strawberry! It has dust to dip it into too! I'll just give it a little dab. I wonder how this will change the taste. Yum! It made it even better! Nice! I hope I have a lollipop too! What's this? A jellyfish? Oh! Looks like this jelly is a gummy. I guess I can give it a try. I like the color. And it smells pretty good. Okay, I'll give it a go. Oh, it's very good. Better than good, actually. Oh my gosh! I'm in the ocean! Look at all these jellies! They're so cute! Ooh, they're disappearing! What's she doing over there? Whatever. I've got my lolly and dip. Can I please go first this time? Okay, fine. Ooh, I got an alligator. I like a good chomper. He's got good teeth. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice job, Chomper. That's a good grip. Time to give this a try. Oh yeah, I can already tell this is gonna be squishy. That candy is just really, really good. Open yours now. What? A teapot and some loose-leaf tea? I mean, that's fine, I guess. It's no candy, though. Oh, I changed my mind! This smells scrumptious! Time for me to start brewing some tea. I'll just add some of the leaves into the mesh strainer. And now I've just gotta let it steep. This is gonna be good. Okay, steeping tea is really boring. I can't believe he just left her! Is it ready yet? Oh, I think it is! Okay, I've got me teacup ready. Wow, look at that color! It's so purple and beautiful! Huh, it doesn't smell as good as the dry tea did. Ugh! It's awful! Really horrible! Ha! You spit that tea everywhere! Oh, be quiet! Why don't you stuff your face more? You can't beat me in a staring contest! Ugh, you win! Yes! My eyes are dry now, but here I go! Nice! Back to candy! Like little candy wafers! Mmm, this looks really good! And so purple! Down the hatch! Oh wow! This is my favorite for sure! What are you doing over there? Well, while you're doing that, I'll check mine. Wow! Look at this cool thing! It's another spray bottle, but it has a sort of straw. Oh, it's a nozzle for the spray! And then the lollipop! Oof, it's sour and sweet! I couldn't believe it. He actually brought his mom on the date.
Your drinks? Huh? What's that?
Ugh, mouse! Ah! Look out! Seriously? What just happened? Wow! This is amazing! What's going on? I have an idea. Eeny, meeny, who goes first? Oh, it's you. Yay! This is so exciting! Ooh, this looks yummy. Not so fast. Let me try something. I didn't know you could play. Whoa, that's so cool! Make it dance into my mouth! Time for a solo! Keep going! Yes! We did it! Pretty good, huh? Okay, my turn. Wow! A crown! I've always wanted to be a princess. Where's my prince? Are you gonna eat it? Of course. Mmm. Now that is good. But I feel funny. No way! My dreams are coming true! That dress is gorgeous! I know. Wait. I love this lipstick! I wonder what else will happen. This is so exciting! A tiara? Are you seeing this? It suits you! That's it. I'm eating it all! Chew your food. I think you need to see this. What is it? Ooh. Mmm, tasty. Okay, this is weird. Do you want one? Hey, rock, paper, scissors? Yes! I won! Snip, snip! Here goes. Now that's a giant heart. I hope it tastes nice. Ooh, it's so light. Really good. I love it. Ha! Okay, my turn. Aw, little mini hearts. So cute. Wait a minute. This is so interesting. He's so dreamy. I suppose it's worth a try. Ready, aim, fire! What was that? So close! I feel good about this shot. Next time, I know it! Look out! Who knew chemistry could be so fun? Okay, last heart. This is it! Don't let me down! No! Are you okay? Maybe I can help. Here, try this. Are you sure? Thanks, bestie. Here goes. Ouch. Hey, you. You're my soulmate. My heart is full of love. Wait, not you. Her. What? No! You're supposed to fall in love with me! Aw, not happening, buddy. Who needs men anyway? Not us. Hey, this is mine. You've got your own. Okay. Nice, bubblegum. I'm so jealous. Let me have a look at mine. Lots of bubblegum. That's not fair. How… but… sorry, I'm too busy eating. I wonder. That's better. You could share. Fine, I'll just eat mine. I'm sure it's just as good. Actually, that tastes great. Ooh, I have a great idea. If I roll it up… Haha! Look, it's like a mouth! Whoa, what are you doing? You'll see. Almost done. There. Impressive, isn't it? A giant bubblegum ball. Can I see it? I have a better idea. What? No, don't! Please! Strike! Why did you do that? Come back here! You ready? Go! Whoa! There's so much! I'll try this first. It's all so good. Oh, a straw. Oh, I have a great idea. Hey! What is it? I'm eating. Let's make a cocktail. Great idea. What should we put in them? Everything. In they go. This'll taste amazing. Little sprinkle of this candy. And now the soda. I can't wait to try it. Look at the color! Now for the final ingredient. There. It's perfect. Nice. My turn. Some of these. Oh, this'll add flavor. A little more. That should be enough. I need to put this in. That'll do it. Can't forget the soda. Wow, it looks so refreshing. Okay, I think I'm almost finished. Cheers! I could drink this all day! My drink is amazing! Want to swap? It's so blue! Delicious! Thanks! Let me try your drink! No. So mean. I know how to teach her a lesson. Okay, little froggy, do your thing. What was that? Nothing there. Ah! It worked! Wait, it's not moving. Very funny. Maybe I should give it a kiss. It works in fairy tales. Something is happening. Okay, I didn't expect that.
My lady.
Wow, such a gentleman. Let's do this! Looks like some kind of recipe. And with ingredients like these, it's gotta be tasty. I think I can manage this. And for step 1, I need the perfect dough ball. Ta-da! And onto the skewer it goes. Perfect! Now it's time for the fun part. I'm so into this. Just some solid chocolate? Not anymore! Still needs a little something. Wow! Do it again! Now that's my kind of cake pop. Mmm, so sweet! You really gotta try this. That sure worked up my appetite. Let's see what I'm dealing with. I've always wanted one of these! Wanna see it in action? First, lick. Then, spray! Whoa! This thing's cooler than I thought. What's that? I'm feeling a little artsy these days. Can't sleep when creativity strikes. Almost finished! That's it! My true masterpiece! You want it? Anything for my bestie! Me first, me first! These things are awfully ugly. Gross! How bad could it be? I don't think that's gonna work. I know! The answer lies in this box! Plus a little bit of salt. And a dash of pepper, of course. Alright guys, get on in! I like mine very salty. And a bit of pepper. Time to make these bad boys edible. And shaky shaky! And voila! Salty purple chips! I made them extra crispy. Dare to try one? So crunchy! Ready to open yours now? It's a little jar! There's matcha powder in it! Packed in pretty tight here. And the smell? Invigorating! I need water! That was easy. Now to stir the stuff in. One big scoop ought to do it. Look at that gorgeous green hue! This is gonna taste delicious! I think it's ready! Not too hot, I hope. I feel so relaxed. My mind and soul are becoming one. I'm transcending beyond my body!